This conference will now be recorded.
Please respond in chat box. Is my voice is audible? Yes. Is my screen is updating? Okay. So hello everyone. Welcome to the another session on Python. So today we're going to discuss on turtle graphics. Okay. So what is meant by turtle and how can we made some designs using those turtles we're going to see in this session. So first we have to know what is library in Python. Okay. Libraries are nothing but a built-in code which is used to include in our projects or programs to execute our programs for better results. Okay, those are known as the libraries. These are the top libraries which we are going to use, which most of the users are using. That is random, system, OS, math, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, NumPy, Keras, PyTorch. Likewise, so in this web we are going to use only one library, that is turtle. Okay, so uh, if we have a question that how many libraries that Python does have, uh, Python have more than 200 plus standard libraries, or the libraries also called as modules. If you go and search for Google, it will show you they have 200 plus standard libraries. So uh, how to use a library Python, that is just we have to call the library name by just keeping an import session before that. So today we are going to use turtles, that's why I use import turtle. Okay. So first basic definition, we're going to see some introduction to turtle and importing modules. How many, there are two types of importing modules for turtle, so we're going to see what are those and how to create a small designs using turtle, and we at end of the session we're going to see how to program a small game using turtle. If the time is there, we're going to see this. Okay, the first one is introducing to turtle. Introduction to turtle, that is turtle, in simple way we can use as this, that turtle is a graphical pointer which we can make designs by giving commands. Okay, and turtle is one of the Python module used to entertain the students. So today's session we're going to have an entertainment, so stay on. So what are the different turtles we have? We have an arrow turtle, turtle, circle turtle, square, triangular, and classic. Most of the turtles we are using on classic turtles. So if we want to change those turtles, we can see how to change. So I already said how to import a module. First we have to type an import keyword, then the name of the module. Okay, so there are two types of import modules of turtle in Python. That is, the first one is import turtle. Here, in if you take this import, we have to write an your title dot, it means title dot method name. We have to call title dot method name, or else if we use this format of import, that is from title import star, this star is nothing but an turtle. Okay, so we can use the function name directly, we can't use this format, that is title dot method name. Okay, or title dot function name. So these are some of the functions which we're going to see in today's session. That is how the shape function we'll use, color, VG color, title. How can we change the title? BG pic. How can we set a pic uh, background to a turtle? We'll see forward, backward, left, and right. So we'll see those. So just open your Python ideally. So I'm just keeping side by side. This is my ideally, that is online mode. This is my notepad, or it means Python notepad, that is my offline mode. Okay, let's work on it. So what I said, how to import a turtle, the two methods, that is imp import turtle. So it's one of the method, import turtle. We use this name, we have to write a title name dot function. We have to call a function, that is title dot function name or method name. That is, these are the methods or functions. Okay, let's see. Is my screen is updating? Okay. Here I am going to import my title, that is import filter. So if I hit enter, uh, the Python interpreter, is someone talking? Have any questions? Okay. Okay. If the Python returns us a new command line by which we can easily understand that the Python has imported the function, that is turtle. So if we see the turtle, T is very case sensitive. If we use import, I'm using capital T over here, it will return me error. That is, so the no module named turtle where the T is capital. So the Python is case sensitive. So just go and use a small t. Okay. Now we're going to see some. Okay, we'll do all. See, I'm doing all the sessions in offline mode. So I request you all to make that visible. I think it's visible to all, right? Okay. I'm taking a function. I'm taking a variable, that is x or t. I'm taking t because I was using turtle. The t is equal to turtle dot turtle. I'm calling a function, that is turtle from turtle. Okay. If I it if I run my program, see, a new window opens, that it's showing by Python turtle graphics, and we have an arrow, small arrow mark. Is it visible to all? I think is my session is paused. I want to go a bit slower, or it's okay. Okay. So we got a small screen with an arrow mark. Okay. Uh, let's see what is this type is. Okay. So if we want to know what is the shape where your turtle is, that is, we have a command that what is my variable, that is t, right? T dot shape. If we're going to run this program, okay, if I want to run over here, right, it will give me the output like classic. As I explained, most of the titles which we're going to use, those are under classic. So if we want to change, just type help of turtle dot shape. If I hit enter, it will give me some text that how can we change the shape of turtle. Here, see the shape. Okay, here some shapes of turtle, right? That is arrow, turtle, circle, square, triangle, and classic. In our session, we are going to use classic. Or else, if you want change your turtle, you can change your turtle. See how can we change our turtle is what's my variable t, right? T dot shape of, I'm going to use turtle. So let's see what's my turtle is. So my cursor has been changed to a turtle format. Is everyone is following? Okay. So my turtle has been changed to a turtle format. Or else if we want to change our turtle to a circle, just type what is my function variable, that is t dot shape of, I'm using circle. Okay, if I hit enter, see my turtle has been turned into a circle. Okay, so maybe for a graphical representation we're going to use turtle 2 because it may looks better than an arrow. Okay, okay, let's see what is the color of our turtle. Can anyone, is it black or brown, anything? Black. Yes. If you want to change the color of turtle, it's simple. Just type my variable is t, right? T dot color. Just hit enter. It will return me that is black and black. What is why it's returning two blacks? Because one is a turtle color and another one is the movement of turtle, which it gives a line. Okay, the line color is also black. So for example, I'm going to show you that t dot forward. Forward off, so it's showing me something like here is distance, so I have to give it some distance, that is I'm giving 100. See, my turtle has been moved 100 pixels forward. Okay, so what is my line color? That is also black. What is my turtle color? That is also black. That's what it's showing, black. If I change the color for red, that is I'm changing the color for red. I'm just taking uh, this function again. I'm just typing red inside the function and I'm calling it. See what happened? My turtle color has been changed, right? So just check it out. Both are red, but here I'm seeing only my turtle is red. What happened to my line? Is it black or red? So it's black. Same we're going to do more forward to 100 meters, 100 pixels again. So I'm taking this function and I'm calling it. See, now my lightning is also red and my turtle is also red. Understand? Anyone does have any questions? Please ask instantly. Please respond if there is no questions. Yeah, we're gonna see how to remove this black line. Don't worry. Just basics. Have to clear up to here. Why it is black and red? See, up to here, my shape color is, my turtle color is black, right? And I come up to this point and I change my color to red. Then I take it for forward for 100. So up to this point, my turtle is black, right? From this point, I change my color for red. So it go for red for the line as well as the turtle. No, if you want to change the color as well as line differently, that is, I mean, line color as well as turtle color differently. So we're gonna see how to change. There is a function called reset. Just type t dot reset. See, my turtle gets up to the middle point. That is a reset point. Okay. Now I'm calling this function t dot color function. I'm changing the color, that is uh, red and blue. So I'm giving two colors over between these. The one color is blue and then one color is red. See what happens if I hit enter. My turtle converts into a red color, but I'm given blue. What is my blue indicates? That is my line color. So I'm taking, yeah, you can also move for backward. That is, see, I'm typing minus 100 meter pixels over here. That is, as you said, minus 100. What happened? My turtle moves backside, but my line color is blue. My what is my turtle color? It's red. So this is the function, that is t dot color function, by which we can change the color of turtle as well as line. Clear? Clear up to here? Now we're gonna see what is the background color of our turtle is. It's white, right? So I'm resetting my turtle color, everything, and my turtle comes into the middle. But yes, okay. So my background color is white. So I want to change this color of background to maybe uh, let's see, my color I want red at backside. So what is that? There is a function called d dot. Okay, we have to take, first we have to take uh, a function, that is another function, that is I'm taking x is equal to turtle dot screen. So by which where our we have to change our screen color, right? So just remember the yes should be the capital one, which is case sensitive screen. It's a function, right? So now I'm changing x dot. So to change any color of backside, so we're gonna use uh, the function called pg color. See, it is showing some here, right? That is pg color of. I want to type color now. That is, I want red backside. If I hit enter, see, a background color has been changed to red, but my turtle color is black. Understand? Or else, if we want set color as our wish, there is another method, that is you have to call this function again. So every programming that if we're going to use colors, it have three colors, that is RGB color, right? So I want to mention that the pixels, how many pixels that I want, that I'm giving 170 for R, 30 for 30 for G, and 20 for B. It's my RGB color, right? So it's giving me error. Why? Okay, color mode. Just forget a function, that is we have to take another function, that is y is equal to color mode. We have to take this function y is equal to color mode. Y is equal to color mode. Color mode is not defined. Okay. Okay, total dot color mode. So just check this out. You have to check total dot color mode. Now you can take this PG color. No, you have to first you have to set the color mode. That is, I'm taking again that x is x dot color mode should be 255, which is a desired value, right? Okay, now you can change the RGB colors. I'm taking this again, by hitting by copying the code, and I'm entering it. See, my background color has been changed as my requirements. Okay, these functions you have to use, that is color mode and VG color. Okay, clear up to here? See, up to now we have seen how can we change the color of turtle as well as line. How can we change the background color? Okay, now we're gonna see what's our title, that is Python turtle graphics. Now I want to change this title, so there is a one more function we call it what is our okay, x dot, there is a function called title, that is, see, it's showing title of, I want to name it as a title, that is I am giving DSMS Python. Okay, it's DSMS. Okay, if I hit enter, see, my title has been changed for DSMS. Is it visible? Okay, clear up to here? Okay, now we're gonna see the functions, that is heading. So everyone knows So what is this okay, is it visible? Okay, let's imagine that our turtle is at a middle, so it is facing on this direction, right? So if we want to move forward, we can just type forward, by which it will move forward like this, and it will move for I am giving 100, so it will move for 100. Or else if I give backwards, it will go for backward, but the facing doesn't changes, it will face on this direction only. Okay, if I want to change the facing of my turtle, see what can we do. So I am again resetting. Didn't reset. Okay, I'll try X, right? You change. Oh, it's not getting reset. Yeah, can do it in this only. So it's facing on this side, but what should uh, we have to what should we do is we have to take our t dot forward of 100, so it will go forward for 100, but the facing in the same side. If I type t dot backward, I'm giving 200. What's happened? Backward, right? It's correct. This turtle object has no attribute backward. It's correct. Okay, I'm opening my shell. So I'm again importing turtle. See, now I'm giving p is equal to turtle dot turtle. My turtle is here. On change its shape, t dot shape of this turtle value. Now I need to change his face heading towards this direction. That is, I want to change the face of turtle from this direction to this direction. So what I'm doing is, here I'm typing set heading. See, it's a function set heading. So in that we have to give angle. That I'm giving. What is the angle for this and this? It's 90, right? So I'm giving an angle 90. If I hit enter, see my turtle, now it's facing towards upward direction. Clear? Or else we can see the facings. Now I'm changing my facing to, we have to take the changing position from initially, that is opposite direction. So I am taking 180 degrees. If I hit enter, my turtle comes to reverse position from this position to this position. Okay, clear up to here? How can we set the facing or a heading of a turtle? Please respond in chat box. What is the function that we have to get a turtle back, that is t dot reset? See, the turtle comes for the rest position, that is normal position. So now I want to know the movement of turtle from one place to another place by drawing a line. We already seen that it's a forward, right? Let's see what is that in help. I'm typing turtle dot forward. So it will give me a text where you can see we can move the turtle forward by the specified distance. So we can call it as forward, or alias name, that is FD. We can call forward, instead of forward we can also use that is FD. And arguments distance should be a number or integer or float value. See, he's giving an example. Just to neglect this, I'm going to show you how you to use that is, I want to go forward. Just change the color of my turtle. That should be blue. My color of turtle should be red. Now I'm going to move forward t dot forward of distance. It may be 50 or maybe 100 or maybe 200. I'm giving 100. So it's moving forward. Okay. Or we can use backward function, that is t dot. So see what is backward in help, that is help of turtle dot backward. WART, right? Okay, sorry. Taking this function again.
No, you entered backward is off.
So yes, someone is talking. What's your problem? Are you getting errors? Okay. See here, it will move the turtle backward by the distance. We can call it alias name as back or backward or PK. The argument should be a distance, that's a number. It should not be a float value. That you have to remember. We can go forward with a float value, but we can't come back with a float value. Okay. So I'm typing t dot backward distance of 200. What's happened? From the initial position, my turtle go for 100 for the forward, and I give the command to come backward for 200 pixels, that it come for the 200 pixels on the back side. Clear? Now gonna see right and left. How can we change our directions? So I'm typing t dot right command over here and giving what should be, it will show you that, see it's showing angle, right? You have to give angles over here to change the direction of your turtle. I'm giving 45 degrees. Now see, my turtle is facing downside. Okay, now I'm calling the same command again. I want to go forward by 100 pixels. See, it is going forward with 100 pixels. Instead of going this forward, why it's going for this forward? Can you explain? Actually, the turtle is here, right? It should have to go forward in this direction, but it is going in this direction. Can anyone? Okay, I typed backward, right? Okay, sorry. Yeah, actually, there is one more. That is, this should be a positive session, right? It is a positive. Everyone knows that it's an, take it as an x-axis and y-axis. It's a positive region, right? What is this region? It's a negative and positive region. What is this region is? Both are negative regions. So my turtle, if I give in further sessions, we will see how can we change our turtle to positive to negative sessions. So I'm giving backward from here. That's why it's go for backward. Okay. All are active, right? Okay. We have seen the right. Let's see the left one. Now I'm changing as left. What happens? It will change the angle left, and it will face the angle with 45 degrees. Now I'm typing forward 100. So my turtle moves forward. So clear up to here? Okay. I'm closing my shell and I'm opening my shell again. Okay. Now let's make some graphics with turtle. Let's start with it square. So for a square, I'm importing again my turtle. So I imported my turtle. So I'm changing my turtle color. Okay, I want to initialize, right? So I'm taking again x is equal to turtle dot. Did no one get doubt why we are using this? So this command calls our turtle. Okay. See, if I execute this command, my turtle comes on a screen. Okay. Now I'm changing color. Now I'm changing the shape. So here is my turtle. Now on the clear. Okay, now I want to make a square, right? So what should be a square is, it should have to go forward, then we have to take a right turn, and we'll go for upward, then we have to go for backward, and then we have to go for downward by taking again right. So this is a square, right? So let's draw it. I'm going forward as forward of 100. So it's going forward for 100. Now I want to change my face. I want to change my face for upward, that is 90 degrees. So I am facing x dot. What should be the it should be left or right? That's our that's our choice. I'm taking left. Left off, I need 90 degrees left. So it changes its face for 90 degrees, and again I want to move forward, and again I want to change my face, and again I want to move forward. Now again I am going to change my face, and again I will move forward. See, it's come to a initial position. It's syntax error in module. So you have to case sensitive that using turtle module. That is TU or TLE, all are small. Don't use any capital. The syntax error is in mobile. Okay, you have to uninstall your ID, that is Pydroid, and you have to install it again because some of the libraries has been should you didn't install those libraries. I request you to please uninstall and install it again. Okay, so here is my square. So instead of writing this much code, how many lines of code that we have written for a square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's 8. That is 8 lines code to draw a square, right? So instead of repeating, yesterday we have seen the repeating loops, right? So instead of that, we're going to use now in offline mode. Okay, import turtle. I'm importing my turtle. I'm assigning my turtle to a value that is, it should be, let me take y is equal to turtle dot. I'm taking this line to take my turtle on the screen. Now what should I have to do? I have to take a for loop, that is for I in, yesterday we have seen range, right? Range function, range of uh, how many times I have to repeat, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to repeat my forward for 4. So I want to take my range for 4 times, and I'm giving a semicolon. I'm coming down. Now I'm what should my the first one is, I have to go forward, right? Y dot forward of 100 pixels, and we should have to change 90 degrees left 4 times. That is y dot left of 90. Okay, this is small program which I have written. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here, okay, we have to I'm taking this this one as well as this one. So here to have a colorful output. So how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, I'm saving my code. See, I'm pasting this code in chat box. So if you are you can copy this code and you can paste in your modules. So I'm running it by clicking run module. Clear? Easy square. Okay, I'm closing it again, and again I'm running it. See? Clear, everyone? Square. So my turtle is a big one, right? I want just a square. What should I have to do with this turtle? We have to hide it. So there is a function called hide. So I'm calling that function, that is y dot hide my turtle, that is turtle. I'm calling this function to hide my turtle. So I'm saving my program and I'm running it. See, my turtle is now vanished. Clear for everyone how to make a square? Okay, now we will see how can we color this block, that is a square with a color. Okay,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
there are some functions where, yes.
Can you uh, repeat a little bit back how to square in your function?
How to?
Because when I'm trying in my laptop, so I didn't see how it
Okay,
is
sir,
square is formed. Can you please repeat this?
shall I repeat the code again?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see, first I'm importing my turtle by taking an import function. I'm calling my turtle import turtle. I'm assigning my turtle to a variable, that is y. You can take your name too, that is I'm changing the y as Noor. That's my name. Noor is equal to turtle dot turtle. I'm calling the turtle function on my screen. That's why I'm taking this. So I'm changing my turtle color, that it should have a blue line with red face head. Okay. I'm shaping my turtle to turtle shape. You can call this function over here, or else it's okay, you can see that later. So here I'm taking a for loop for I in range, where I is repeatable for multiple times. Okay, in range for, but turtle should have to go forward for 100. Okay, it should have to go forward for 100, this direction, and you have to take the turning over here, right? I'm taking left and facing upwards, that is 90 degrees. So I'm taking again, my turtle should have to left, change my direction to left to 90 degrees, right? And in for loop, until and unless we exit the for loop, the looping will execute. So it will go for first forward 100 times, and second for left for 90, and go for 100 times, This will repeat until and unless it will complete the 4 iterations. Clear? And the end, I want to hide my turtle. So I am taking the function hide turtle, okay, and I'm saving my program and I'm running it. Clear, sir? Okay. So for the next, I have shown how to change the background color, right? How to change the background color? Can anyone? Okay. Let's see. I want to change my background color. So I am taking one more function here, that is let it be x. X is equal to, I already tell you to have, first we have to import screen, right? Turtle dot screen, where s should be the capital one. Screen, and we can change the background color by giving x dot bg color. I want my background screen as a black one. That's why I'm giving black. You can give as your color you want. Okay, I'm setting my background color and I'm running my program. I'm saving my program and I'm running it. See, my background color is black and my color of turtle is red and my color of line is blue. So I want to fill this whole color with some more other color called I need fill the color with yellow. Let's see how can we fill the color. Okay. Okay. Now I'm taking one more function, that is y. Y should be no. You have to take turtle, right? T. Okay. It's my turtle over here. That is Noor. Noor dot. There is a function called begin fill. Begin underscore fill. Okay, you have to know this function, that is begin underscore fill. So here I want to give the name of color which should I have to fill. That is I have to fill, that is fill color with yellow. Clear? I'm taking a function that is begin fill and start your color filling yellow in my whole program, and at the end I need to type one more function, that is blue dot. Here we are beginning our color, right? We have to end our color outside of the for loop, that is end underscore fill. Clear? Or should I explain again? Can anyone respond in chat box? I'm copying the code, I'm pasting in chat box. If those who are feeling code is too speed, you can copy and paste in your offline mode. Clear up to here? Now I'm saving my program and I'm running it. Let's see what happened. So my background is black, my color of turtle and my color of block is red. Clear? So likewise, we can fill the colors. Now we're going to see how can we draw a turtle with circle. Okay, I already have an imported my turtle over here, so I'm not going to use this code. So just I'm commenting this code by using 3 codes, a multi-line string with where our Python interpreter can't understand what is that. Okay, so okay, I have to take it again. Okay, I'm taking the code, not this much code. I want to take the code up to here. Copying the code, I'm pasting over here, and what should I have to do is I have to remove this background color as well as the turtle screen color. So up to here is clear. So I'm importing my turtle and I'm calling my turtle on the screen, and I am changing the color of the turtle as red as well as a blue as a line of the color, line color.
Sir,
Okay, now yes,
sir, you gave the color, fill color as yellow, sir.
yes,
But you got red,
yeah, yes,
but you got the color as red, sir.
yes, yes, red. Should be yellow, right? Change it as orange. Again red. It's taking red, red, red. Blue color. Oh, I'm okay. Okay, changing this. I'm just commenting this line, which I don't want to shift forward. Clear? Now you're getting an orange.
Yes, sir.
So why it's getting red is because I'm taking another color over here, which is red. What should be my turtle color? Should be red. It will execute only the color of your turtle. That's a note point. Okay. If you set your color to your red, so if you fill the color any color, the output should be your turtle color. So you have to remove your turtle color if you are filling the color. Okay, now you can yellow. See, I'm getting a yellow box. It is a square. Okay, so here I'm taking importing my turtle. I'm giving my turtle name as X, and my turtle color should be red, and my line color should be blue. Okay, I'm taking these colors to have a better look. That's it. It's not very important for you all. So I'm calling my turtle. Okay, now I'm calling my turtle, that is x dot, there is a function called circle, and you have to give the radius of your circle. I'm giving my radius as 100. If I save and if I run my program, see, it's drawing a circle. Okay, clear up to here? How can we draw a circle? So, can anyone see that? But turtle is starting from the middle point. But I need, but turtle should start. So it's starting from the middle point. It's making a circle like this with radius 100, which I don't want. I want a circle at middle like this. Okay. Now we're gonna see how can we do that. So here I'm typing. I already said that there are two functions, right? This clear as well as, and we can also reset our code with a reset, or else we can do it as an undo, undo. Okay. So here I'm removing this circle. I am moving downwards. That is, what is my function? That is x dot right of 90 degrees, right of 90 degrees, and it should have to go for forward. That is forward of 100. Now it should have to turn again to left. So let's we execute in command line, which you can understand in better way. So I'm importing my turtle. I'm calling my turtle. And I'm changing my color of my turtle. And I'm shaping my turtle by giving a shape of turtle. Now I need to make a circle, right? So for that, I'm taking first right order, right of 90 degrees. So how I want to make my circle? First, my turtle should have to move from here to here, a point for 100 degrees, 100 pixels forward, and I want to make my circle here. So I'm taking right. Okay, understand? So I'm taking right 90 degrees. I'm going forward for 100 pixels. See? Okay. My turtle has been go forward for by 100 pixels. Now I want to change my turtle facing towards left. So I'm changing towards left 90 degrees. Now it changes its face. Now I'm going to make a circle. That is x dot circle, which I'm giving an 100. See, now my requirement is filled. That I am coming for this point. I'm making circle at the middle of the x and y axis. Okay, anybody does have any questions? It's okay, we can elaborate our session for tomorrow also. So tomorrow we can see what are the different turtle drawings are there. Clear up to here? Please respond in chat box. So I'm see this line is disturbing me, right? I want to make this line as invisible. So what I want to do is I'm resetting the turtle, that is x dot. This time I'm using undo. Let's see this function. I didn't use it up to here. Okay, it just undo the single step. Okay, I'm typing the reset. So it's reset my turtle. Okay, now there is a function called up, that is I'm taking x dot up. So up is a function where you can't draw a line, you just go forward or backward or left or right with invisible line. Okay, now I'm typing and I'm using another function, that is go to, that is x dot go to. Here I'm using the coordinates. So what is this region? Is positive region, for this is negative and positive region, and this is negative negative, this is negative positive. Okay, I'm using the coordinates which is 0 and which should be the y-axis is negative, so I'm going to 0 to minus 100. I'm giving 0 comma minus 100. If I execute this, my turtle just jump from the initial position to an downwards position. Okay, I'm undoing again and I will show you how it will go. That is, see, if I execute this again, see, my turtle comes downwards without drawing anything. Okay, so
అప్పుడు కూడా కాలేజ్
if you
ప్లేస్మెంట్
draw
ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయా?
నేను ఇంటర్లో ఉండగానే కాలేజ్ ప్లేస్ చేశా అప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రో.
can you unmute please? Okay, now I'm drawing a circle with 100 radius. What happened? Where's my circle? So I have taken a function, that is up function, right, which is which makes line invisible. So we have to take a function that is called down. So x dot down. Now if you make a circle, it will show you the circle. Clear? So using more functions over here, you have to be conscious as well as you have to know what should be used at what time. Okay, why we are using right, why we are using forward, what is my circle, what is my undo, so on. Okay, your line is cleared. My actual position of my turtle is my cursor position. Okay, it is go down by 100 and I'm making a circle here. Clear? How can we use invisible lines in turtle? Okay, let's make some designs for us. That is for I range, I'm taking 100. Yes, what's your question? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll explain it later. Yeah. So I am typing a small program. The total we have to go forward. I'm taking for I in range 100. I'm taking how many iterations? That is 100 iterations. Remember that. Now I'm saving my turtle. What is my turtle? X dot fd. I'm taking not forward. Instead of taking forward, I'm taking an alias name, that is fd. Fd of 100. So no, not 100. I'm taking forward direction of I. Okay. And it should have to take left. That is x dot left. I'm giving an angle that is about 90 degrees. Let's check it out. What it's making? It's making squares with increasing value. See? So it will repeat this program for 100 times. And if your program is executed, it will come for the new line. Clear? Now I'm resetting my screen, and I will change the code. I'm just changing for, just say 92. Let's do it. What will happen? It's making me a 3D design. See, it makes me a 3D design. If you want to increase your size of your design, you can increase the iterations. Okay, I'm just taking my code again. This time I'm giving 150 instead of 100. I'm giving 150, and I'm changing my code to a random number, that is 56 or something else. Let's see. Okay, let's start from there also. So that's have to first we have to reset, right? Expert, that is x dot reset. So what is command line cannot. Okay, I have to take a new command line. I'm taking a new shell. Importing my turtle. Taking my turtle. Changing my color of the turtle. Changing the shape of the turtle. And now I want to design, right? For I and range. So I'm giving, instead of 100, I'm giving this time as 150. So it should have to go forward, that is x dot fd of distance. I'm giving distance as 100. and should have to take a left or right. That I'm using this time I'm using right function, and it have to take an angle with now I'm typing 62, a random number. See what design. Okay, turtle keyword interrupted. And my turtle is there, right? My turtle is there, right? Showing.
Alright,
Alright, GHT. That's
Yes. I come.
instead of E or instead of E or
I'm resetting again, and I'm taking this program right off 62 degrees, right? So it's making me something like a circle design. We'll go for 50 iterations. Sorry, 150 iterations. Okay, now I'm just closing it, calling a program, and I want to change it as 125. Let's see what. So, okay. See, it's the problem. If you close your running program in Turtle, you have to take another shell. So, likewise, just take random numbers. Instead of taking just take a 92, right? Likewise, if you take random numbers in for range, that is, I'm typing over here. So I'm importing my turtle. So I'm importing my turtle. I'm taking my turtle name, that is x is equal to turtle name, and now I'm writing for loop for I in range. This time I will take it as 100. Now I'm giving it as to go forward, that is x star 50 of distance 100, and x should be turned left of degree, that is 124. I'm giving this time. Let's see what will happen. I'm saving this program. I'm running it. So it's making me okay. Okay, instead of taking this range, here I'm taking 100, right? Just give I, that is, it should have to start from its 0th position, 0 to 100 position with angle 124. Let's save this program, and I'm running it. See this time what will happen. It is generating a new design with a triangular form, right? Is it visible? Okay. So it will start from the 0th point, that is 0 to 100th position, 100th point. So I'm Clear? For this time, I'm just typing. So I'm taking circle here. That is x dot circle with radius of, I'm taking just 50. Just save your program and run it. It's just moving slightly this word, outerwards, right? Is it visible? Okay. Okay. Likewise, you can generate many designs by thinking. Okay. And I'm giving it as let's see, I am giving it for it will be 162. Just run the program. Why don't you try your numbers instead of following my numbers? Why don't you try another numbers by which you can understand what's happening? See, my turtle is making a slow, right? So I can increase the speed of my turtle. So I'm just closing it. Here I'm typing speed. Speed of the turtle should be 0. That is a high speed. For this time I'm giving it as 1000. See, my speed is very fast. That's why I'm giving iteration should be have very fast. I'm saving my code and I'm running it. I think 0 is slow. Okay. Running speed is not defined. We have to define speed? No. Okay. And 10 has a speed. I'm seeing it and I'm running it. Speed is not defined. It's been doing the same.
X dot
So we have to take
X dot
right?
speed.
Oh, okay. So it's making my iterations faster. Can anyone suggest me a best angle which you have tried? We'll see. 45. Okay, let's try 45 instead of I'm doing 45. It's making just circles, right? Okay, this design. Okay, someone suggested 225. So I'm typing 225 and let's see what will happen. It's making star, right? Okay, nice. Next. Anyone suggest 180? See, 180 wasn't, what is mean by 180? That is anti-clockwise, right? It will just rotate the same at the same position. Oh, actually it's making something in middle. See, it's looking like base. Teddy bear, right? This 225, that is Akram, Muhammad Akram. Really very nice design. 417. Sudhir, let's try 417. So it's making circles. Nice design. For low iterations, it will look like a rose light. Let's take it out for low iterations. But I'm giving the iterations as 100. I'm changing the value into 0.3. If I run it, so 100 iterations is very low for this. It will make 100 within seconds. So it's making a flower. Nice. Okay. That's it for today. I think today's everyone does enjoy it, right? In tomorrow's session, we will see how to design a small game using turtles. Okay. At least we design at least 2 games using turtle. Clear, everyone? Or else if anyone does have any queries or doubts, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask, or else you can chat us with chat box. We're here to help you. Is my voice is audible? Admins, is my voice audible? Yeah, okay. The application can run in cell phone. Yes, we can run this all programs, turtle programs in phone too. Yesterday I just placed a screenshot, right? Actually, I just made this all programs in my phone. I have here I'm writing a small line, that is I have two special applications for Python for phone, that is First one is Pydroid, that is Pydroid 3, as well as I have a code editor, that is A code. So using these two, you can make any codes in Python in your cell phone. It's very easy to you to make these all designs in your cell phones. Actually, A code is paid one. You can find the crack versions in Telegram or else in Google. It's paid one, so now I don't think so. You can download the free version for that A code. Okay, that's it for today. You can, if anyone does have any questions, you can ask, or else you can leave the class. This application running in cell phone. Yes.
Hello guys, a small request from us. Once you enter in class, please edit your names.
Yes, guys. If you didn't edit your names, we can't calculate your attendance, right? So you can get your certificate with the uncompleted certificate. So please rename your name. If we got designed names day to day with same names, so we can easily calculate our attendance for you. If you are absent for at least 2 sessions, you can your attendance will be reduced by 80%. So I request to attend the whole sessions
Here so
as
many
well.
members are there like Color 08, Kavya, many of them
Yes, I
are
see. If you are not registered, I'm replying for those who are not registered. I think many members have been not registered. So if you are not registered, I request admins to keep your mail or chat box. You can send your names, emails, and phone number to that email, and you can register. Simple. Okay. So I think many members have been left, right? Okay, I didn't care. I just forgot it to give today's assignment on turtles.
So please repeat
Okay,
this
I'm
on tomorrow. Okay.
yes, I will repeat this small. I mean, for half an hour session tomorrow. How can we make designs? How can we go? How can what are the different functions we're going to use?
Hello,
Turtles is only for graphics. Just wait.
Sadiq.
Pranaya. Yes.
Wait,
Y-
just wait and
Yes.
Sadiq.
Yes.
Sir,
This is Sushil.
Yes. Yes, Shravya.
sir, can we get two or more colors in the background?
Yes, we can. We can. Just to start, you can change your background colors, right? Are you asking about background colors of turtle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See,
Can we get two or
I'm
more
highlighting a
colors?
line over here that is x dot bg color, right? I'm changing my color as black. You can change it as an RGB color too. Okay. Just search for
Okay, sir.
Google. You can find many solutions. How can we change a background color? How can we set a backpick? Okay, today I forgot to show you how to set a backpick, right? I will tomorrow I will show you how to set a back your photo to your background of turtle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
Please do practice. Please do practice at home. Okay. Don't be neglect. Nowadays Python are most important to our daily life.
See.
Why? Because to
Sadiq.
secure the jobs. Okay.
Sadiq.
Yes. Sakib.
Uh, I got a lot of persons can't able to do assignment because they don't know about it. Could you complete
Okay.
those assignments with examples and send them a PDF or document? WhatsApp group.
I think I'm sending all the daily text files as well as what I'm going to say, what I my text files as well as my .py files to the WhatsApp as well as I'm uploading in Google Drive. Why can you share the Google Drive link for them?
Okay.
day to day I'm uploading. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any more questions? See, someone asked me that Turtles is only for graphics. Yes, it's only for small graphics, not the huge graphics. We can make it as a small graphics. It's just for entertainment of students. That's it. Yeah, no other purpose out there to use Turtles to make designs. That's it. Small designs. You can make a face. You can make a Mickey Mouse using Turtle. Why don't you try at home? Just make a design like a Mickey Mouse face. Pranaya, that assignment is for you. Have shown how to jump from one line to another line without printing the line, that is up and down functions. So if you can do, it's better. If you can't, just try it. If you want help, I can help you. Okay. But tomorrow we're going to see some game. How can we design a turtle game, basic turtle game, for entertainment, as well as some other programs which I'll let to today. Okay. I think every function has been covered instead of BGP. Okay, I didn't use this BGP, right? I will try. Okay, Pranaya, that's for you. Mickey Mouse. You just have to take circles, right? All are circles. You have to draw a circle on circles. That's it. It's simple. You can do it. Or else you can search on internet how to do. Or else you can ask me. I will explain how to do it. So
Another small announcement. Those who want the notes, you can search on YouTube. They have
no,
3 videos
yeah.
on YouTube.
Just wait. At the end of this session, I will share some more uh, basic PDFs and huge documents on Python language by which you can go for an advanced to advanced levels. Don't worry. Okay. See, I have more
Yeah,
PPTs on the
notes.
Pythons. Different PPTs on Python. You can have those. So I will share those all for you. Okay. Here I'm going to show some other studies. Likewise, these designs, the design is coming. Okay, now you can see these designs you can design using turtles. Some bit graphics. Okay, send total documents of Python. Yes, I will send. I will share this all documents at the end of this course. Okay, if we end our course, we will share the daily notes. What are the Python PDFs that I have used, and what are some advanced PDFs that is which is used for machine learning, and those all we will share for you. Okay. So likewise, we can change codes. I have final, that is, I'm going to run it now. It will execute. Here I have used background color as black. Okay, my front colors are blue, red, purple, and brown. So I have used many colors. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Have a nice day and bye. You can leave.